Hey everybody, today I've got a 2007 Outback, that would be a Subaru. It's got a P0447, which is vent valve problem. So put it up in the air, and of course the canister is buried up underneath the cross member here. But if you look right here at this wire, I said, hey, that thing looks kind of funky. So I grabbed it and it fell right off, and you can see right there we have some rodent damage. That is what is causing the 447. I'm gonna have to get up in here somehow to get this wire out and splice this stuff back together. So there's a really quick one for you. If you have a 2007 Subaru with a 447 vent valve, come down here and look at that harness to see if it is chewed through with a rodent. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like the videos, and please like and share.